This is the Bougainvillea floor plan at Carmel Terrace. Upon entering, you'll see the living room in front of you with a wood-burning fireplace. To the side, you have the dining area, as well as the fully stocked kitchen, including all major appliances. Through this doorway, you have one of the bedrooms. This bedroom will fit a king-size bed. It includes a sliding closet, an attached bathroom with a stand-up shower, on the other side of the living room, there's a coat closet, as well as a guest bathroom featuring a bathtub shower combo. And this bedroom, which will also fit a king-size bed and features a walk-in closet. All apartments at Carmel Terrace feature central air conditioning and heat, as well as a private patio or balcony. On the balcony or patio, you have a closet, which includes a full-size side-by-side washer-dryer and a little extra storage. Again, this is the Bougainvillea floor plan at Carmel Terrace.